Glac le Gaeilge. Learn Irish. Cearta, Lesson 6. The, to be. Present tense. Amsir Lárach. Tá me, I am. Níl me, I am not. An bhfuil me, am I. Nach bhfuil me, am I not. Tá mid, we are. Níl mid, we are not. An bhfuil mid, are we. Nach bhfuil mid, are we not. Tá siad, they are. Níl siad, they are not. An bhfuil siad, are they. Nach bhfuil siad, are they not. Tá Peadar, Peter is. Níl Mora, Mary is not. An bhfuil Colm, is Colm. Nach bhfuil Sheila, is Sheila not. Now I have some examples of using tá and níl. Tá Sean sa bhaile inniu. John is at home today. Níl sé sa chathaoir. He is not in the city. Tá an nínon ag gabh. The baby is crying. Níl sé Cearta. He is not content. Tá Michael ag go chathaoir leach. Michael is going to Carlo. Níl sé abhaid. It is not far. Using an bhfuil and nach bhfuil. There are some examples. An bhfuil tú go maith. Are you well? Tá, cínte. Indeed I am. Or you could say, tá me, cínte. Indeed I am. Nach bhfuil sé fuair inniu. Isn't it cold today? Tá, cínte. It certainly is. Sin deireadh le ceachta sé. That's the end of lesson